Welcome to the My Classroom page. Here you can choose your class, view class assessment results, view student portfolios, and print student login cards. If you have more than one class, use the drop-down menu to set your active class. Select Class Assessment Results to track your class's performance across all Day 5 assessments to date. Select a student's name to go to their portfolio. Select Print Student Login Cards to print a class set of cards containing each student's username and password for Think Mental's digital classroom. You can return home at any time by selecting the icon in the navigation bar.